This is a service video by GL Technics. Before you start servicing your EBS 100, make sure to disconnect it from any power source and remove the pressure. Firstly, disconnect it from any power source by simply pulling the cable. Now make sure that the hose is connected to the collection tank. Now you can check the gauges, and if they show 0 bar, this is a good indicator. But you can never be certain. This is why you have to follow the next steps. Bring lever A to position A2 and B to B3. Then A to A1 and B to B2. And finally, both levers to position 1. Now you can vent the system by pushing the valve. Your EBS 100 is now pressureless and disconnected from any power source, and you're good to go. Today I want to show you how to change the outer components of the EBS 100. In order to do so, prepare yourself with a collection tray, safety goggles, metric size 5 and 6 Allen keys, and metric size 15, 18 and 22 wrenches. First, we want to start on the right side of the device. Here you can find one of the hoses. On each hose you can find the pliers. Use the metric size 18 and 22 wrenches to remove these nuts, and while reassembling, please make sure to apply the catch line. Loctite is not necessary. Next, we want to show you how to remove the other side of the hoses. Use your metric size 15 and 22 wrenches to open these nuts, screw them loose, and remove the hoses. On the front, you can find the oil separator. Remove it by hand, and while reassembling, please make sure to apply a little bit of oil to this sealing. Screw it hand tight. The waste tank can be removed by pulling up the hose, removing the filter and simply pulling out the tank. The reassembly works vice versa. In order to remove the cable holders, use a metric size 5 Allen key. To remove the handle, use the metric size 6 Allen key. The fuse can be removed by pushing in and turning the fuse and simply pulling out the fuse or the fuse holder. And this is how you service the outer components of the EBS 100.